Okay, good morning 12th class. Then today we will start with our new chapter, that one is P block element. This chapter is very important, or you can say very important. Okay, and you all are familiar with this chapter because S block and two groups of P block also we have done in 11th class. ये सबने पढ़ा है. Their periodic classification of elements we have done. So on that basis, okay, again we have P block remaining क्या कहते हैं groups we have. That one is 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th group we have, and that we have to study in detail. Okay, and this chapter is important because in board exam this chapter carry around 7 to 8 marks. लगभग इतने marks का आता है, but this year maybe और ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Reason is because now 3 chapters are reduced from your syllabus. You can say 3 chapter कम हुआ है, तो maybe their weightage, maybe क्यों बढ़ेगा ही weightage, obvious सी बात है. तो this chapter is normally important और अब तो और भी important हो गया. Okay, now just see, in case of P block element, actually P block element are those elements in which that last electron, in this one just see, that one is last electron enters in P subshell. Okay, जो last electron है वो किस में enter कर रहा है, that one will enter in P subshell, and you know it contains, or you can say that P block element, that they contain how many groups? They contain 6 groups. Okay, so in case of this one they contain 6 groups, and which one is that? Is from 13th to 18th group. It's a 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th group they contain. Now in case of this one, the 13th group and 14th group that we have already studied in 11th class. 13th group, it's a boron family. 14th one, it's a carbon family. Now our concern is with 15 to 18th group. Now just see in this one, general one, your first, this one is group 15, because you have to study all these things in detail, so you should know which elements are present in each group. Either the 13, 14 is done, so which group elements are present in 15, 16, 17th and 18th group, what are their configuration and general characteristics. Now just see in case of group 15, okay, that one is simple. This group 15 is known as, this one is nitrogen family. Okay, this one is nitrogen family, or either you can say it's a nicogens. Okay, reason you know that in case of nitrogen family, because first member is nitrogen, and nicogens because they are their elements combined with other substance, maybe it's a hydrogen, maybe it's a oxygen, and form a suffocating compounds. Suffocation करते हैं. Just see members कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे. That one is नहीं पापा आशीष सबसे बिगड़ा. Our concern is with up to bismuth. One more element is there, but our concern is with up to here only. Now in this one, that one is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. And you know 12th class, that one is either it's a nitrogen, that nitrogen combined with oxygen it forms NO, then it forms NO2, then combined with moisture and gives HNO3, and the smell of HNO3, nitric acid, सूंघ के देखना, आराम से देखा भी होगा कईयों ने. Okay, that one is suffocating. Okay, then P, this one is phosphorus when combined with hydrogen. Okay, it gives PH3. This one is phosphine. This one is again poisonous in nature. Arsenic अपने आप में ही poisonous substance है. Okay, now just see. So that's why these nitrogen family, that one is known as nicogens because they are suffocating. Okay, जो इसके elements हैं कैसे होते हैं, suffocation producing होते हैं. Now we have another group. That one is group 16. So in case of group 16, okay, that one is known as oxygen family because oxygen family. Okay, reason, because first member is oxygen and second one is chalcogens. Now it's a group 16. Okay, the group 16, it's an oxygen family and chalcogens because chalcogen means ore forming, so their elements are ore forming elements. Now just see, usse tepo, again this one is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So you know most of the ores are either it's oxide ore, either it's a sulfide ore, either it's a Al2O3.2H2O, okay, Fe2O3, Fe3O4, magnetic oxide of iron. Okay, so it depends. That's why they are oxygen family and they are also known as chalcogens. Okay, chalcogens meaning it's a ore forming. So we have to study all these in detail. Now we have another group, that one is group 17. Hope so. Group 16 is clear to you. Now group 17 member. Okay, halogen. This group is known as halogen. Reason is halogen means sea forming. Just see, sea forming, समुद्र बनाने के काम आते हैं जितने भी elements हैं. Now just see in this one, main elements are concerned is with fossil variety. This one is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. That one is 80, but our main concern is with 4 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. They are known as halogens. Now 18th group, कौन-कौन से आ जाएंगे 18th group elements? Now just see 18th group, that one is known as inert gas, either it's a noble gas, zero group and rare gases. Now just see group 18, noble gases, you can say rare gases, zero group also, okay, inert gases also, but instead of that term inert, now we are using which word? That one is noble gases. Reason is, just see the members, it's a he, ni, kar, xenon. That one is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So previously that group 18 elements were known as, okay, inert gases. Inert मतलब जो react करती नहीं है, they are chemically unreactive, they will not react with anyone, मतलब any element. Okay, so that's why previously they were known as inert gases, but now instead of inert gases we'll use a word, that one is noble gases. Why? Because in this one noble means शांत है, ठीक है, but under normal condition they are unreactive, they will not react with any element, but under normal condition, okay, that's why noble gases. But under drastic condition, that krypton and xenon, they form different compounds. जैसे in case of Xe, हमने chemical bonding में पढ़ा है पहले भी, that one is different compound, that one is XeO4, that one is XeO3, that one is XeF2, okay, sorry, this one is Xe, okay, F4, that is XeF2 and so on. So under drastic condition they form compound, that's why we use a word, that one is noble gases. And rare gases, reason, okay, because in case of this one they occur in traces in nature. ये nature में कैसे मिल रहा है? Traces में मिल रहा है. That's why, okay, rare gases. And that is the reason, you know, noble gases discovered late. क्योंकि कैसे थे, एक तो वैसे भी अनरिएक्टिव, रिएक्ट किसी से कर नहीं रहे, एंड अनदर थिंग इज देयर परसेंटेज इज वेरी लेस, दैट्स व्हाई देयर आइडेंटिफिकेशन, जो इसकी डिस्कवरीज हुई हैं वो सब कैसी हुई हैं, लेट हुई हैं. ओके, तो दीज आर groups that we have to study in detail. Okay, now before I'll start with 15th group, you should know some terms like atomic radius, the ionic radius, ionization energy, ठीक है, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity. At least these 4-5 terms are required, because all these terms will use again and again in all 4-5 groups. Okay, so better if you know the basic thing. So I'll explain exception, because your main concern in this chapter is with exception. जो exception के question है वही आते हैं reasoning के, ठीक है. This one is a set pattern from this chapter कि 3 marks in reasoning आने ही आने, 2 marks के diagram आते ही हैं, अभी तक तो आ रहे हैं. तुम लोगों की किस्मत देखिए क्या हो सकती है, but still अभी तक तो confirm हुआ है. Okay, तो then I'll explain first of all atomic radius, ionic radius. Hope so maximum of you know, but जिन्होंने थोड़ा धूल वगैरह लगा लिया दिमाग में, अभी पढ़ा नहीं है इतना, maybe forgot, तो again I'll revise that thing. Okay. Okay, 12th class. Now in this one, first thing is, because now you know group members and all, so what about their electronic configuration? The general electronic configuration, okay, that one is general electronic configuration of p block is, that one is ns2 np126. It depends कि कौन से group की बात कर रहे हैं, तो accordingly their configuration is there. This one is general electronic configuration, and this one is again important, okay, that you have to revise. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding to electronic configuration, so again I'll explain. Okay, now just see, in case this one is first general characteristics, it's a atomic radius. Okay, so what is atomic radius? So simple, it's a distance from the center of the nucleus to outermost shell. Just see, this one is simple, center of the nucleus to the outermost electron, you can say, if the number of shell is less, first one, so just see the distance is less. As the number of shell increases, just see, as the number of shell increases, then their atomic radius also increases. So this one is regarding to atomic radius. Now another thing we have, that one is ionization energy. Either you can say ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. That one is, you can write in short, that one is I dot E. Now in case of ionization energy, hota kya ionization energy? Okay, simple, it's an amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bounded electron, okay, from their isolated gaseous atom. Okay, that one is known as ionization energy. तो सिंपल सी टर्म्स में अगर बात करें तो कितनी एनर्जी चाहिए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को निकालने के लिए, जो लूजली बाउंडेड इलेक्ट्रॉन है आउटर मोस्ट शेल में प्रेजेंट है, दैट वन इज नोन एज आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. नाउ इन दिस केस, if you remove first electron from the outermost shell, so that one is known as first ionization energy. Obviously that one is first ionization energy. If you remove second one, so that one is known as second ionization energy. तो जितने नंबर में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आप निकाल रहे हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड ionization energy is given to you. Now if you remember, हमने इसमें क्वेश्चन भी किया था that ionization energy of a second group member, okay, either you can say magnesium, okay, yeah, second ionization energy of first group member is much more as comparison to, okay, that magnesium or second group member. Reason is because after losing one electron, sodium acquired noble gas configuration and it is very difficult to remove electron from that configuration. Okay, तो उस टाइप के क्वेश्चन इसमें से बन सकते हैं, बट दैट इज इन एस ब्लॉक. अब पी ब्लॉक से देखिए किस टाइप से आ जाएंगे. ओके, तो दिस वन इज रिगार्डिंग टू आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. नाउ हाउ इट वेरी, okay, generally down the group ionization energy decreases and across the period it increases. Reason, you know, down the group what happens, size increases, force of attraction decreases and their tendency टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ईजी. अब जिसकी टेंडेंसी लूज करने की, तो उसको निकालने के लिए भी क्या चाहिए, कम एनर्जी चाहिए. दैट्स वाई एंड अक्रॉस द पीरियड साइज डिक्रीजेस. Okay, that's why in nuclear charge increases, size decreases and force of attraction is more. That's why more energy is required to remove the electron. Even in case of this one, that is, as we move across the period, the non-metals are there and they have tendency to gain electron. Okay, now another term we have, it's a electron gain enthalpy. So simple, it's an amount of energy released when electrons are added. Okay, and that's why sometimes we use a term, that one is negative electron gain enthalpy, means because energy is releasing. Now remember one thing, only positive gain enthalpy is in case of noble gases. केवल noble gases के केस में क्या होती है, positive electron gain enthalpy होती है. in other cases we have negative electron gain enthalpy. तो simple, amount of energy released when electrons are added. Okay, now one more term we have, that is electronegativity. Okay, now simple, in case of electronegativity, now in case of electronegativity, it's the tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. That one is known as electronegativity. It's a tendency to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. And important thing is, most electronegative element, that fluorine is most electronegative element. After that another one we have, which one, oxygen, then nitrogen, and fourth one is chlorine. So these four very important, most electronegative, less, less and then less, that you have to remember. Electronegativity down the group it decreases, across the period it increases. Same reason. Okay, tendency to attract shared pair of electron कब होगा, जब न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ज़्यादा होगा. एंड एज वी मूव डाउन द ग्रुप साइज बढ़ रहा है एंड न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इज कंपैरेटिवली लेस. Okay, so that's why, and in this case this one is opposite. So this one is regarding to general properties, and then from tomorrow we'll start with, okay, group 15 elements. Okay, thank you.